Good morning, everyone. Take out your Shaping Maths 5A workbook, pencil, eraser, and ruler. Then, get ready. Our topic for today is about multiplying and dividing by tens, hundreds, and thousands. But before that, I want to refresh the concept of the relationship between multiplication and division. Multiplication and division are related to each other, closely related to each other, just like brothers and sisters. Who can answer this? Why are we doing multiplication? We multiply to join equal groups, while we divide to separate the numbers into equal groups. That means multiplication is to join, while division is to separate. Therefore, multiplication is the opposite of division, just like moving forward and backward. The opposite of forward is what? Backward. Now, we will do multiplication. 25 times 100 is equal to 2,500. What did you notice? We are moving forward. But if you want to divide, you will do backwards. Start with 2,500 divided by 100 is equal to 25. What did you notice? You are moving backwards. Now, I'll give you more example to make your concept clear. Now, 25 times 100 is equal to... Now, how to do this? 25 times 1 is 25, but you still have two zeros here. Then, the answer will be 2,500. Now, if you want to get the missing number here, that means how many groups of 25 can you make out of 2,500? So that means you are looking for the number of groups. So if you are looking for the number of groups, what are you supposed to do? You are correct. You need to divide. So that means you need to do backwards. Start with 2,500. Then divide. 2,500 divided by 25 is equal to... Now, how to divide this? 25 divided by 25 is equal to 1. You have 1 here, but you still have two zeros here. So that means this is what? 100. So 100 divided by 1 is equal to 100. Another one. What if you are looking for this missing number? How many groups of 100 can you make out of 2,500? Okay, so that means again, you are looking for how many groups. So what are you supposed to do? You need to divide. Start with 2,500 divided by 100 is equal to... Now, definitely you will tell me, teacher, number is too big. How to divide this? Okay, now, how to divide? So look for the divisor. Divisor has two zeros, while dividend has two zeros too. So you can apply the cross-cancelling method. What is the cross-cancelling method? Cross-cancelling method, that means you can cross out the zero here. How many zero in divisor? The divisor has two zeros. So that means you can also cancel two zeros in dividend. 1, 2, divisor, then also cancel 1, 2 in dividend. So what are the remaining numbers? 25 divided by 1 is equal to 25. So that means this, for multiplication, you are joining the groups, while in division you are separating the group. Now another one, 250 times 100 is equal to, now how to multiply this? 250 times 1 is equal to what? Correct, 250. But you still have remaining two zeros here. So all you have to do is to tag it. Tag here or copy here. It will, so your answer is 25,000. Just like before, if you are looking for this missing number, so that means you have to ask yourself, how many groups of 100 can you make out of 25,000? Okay, now, so you are looking for how many groups? So starts with 25,000 divided by 100 is equal to, again, teacher, the number is too big. How to divide? Okay, how to divide? You can use the cross-canceling method, just like here. How many zeros in divisor? It has two zeros. So that means you can cancel only two zeros here. The cancellation should be equal from the divisor. 1, 2. So that means you can only cancel two zeros here. 1, 2. So the remaining numbers are 250 and 1. So now you can divide. 250 divided by 1 is equal to 250. Okay, another missing number. Okay, you are looking for this. Again, ask yourself, how many groups of 250 can you make out of 25,000? So again, you will divide because you are looking for the number of groups. 25,000 divided by 250 is equal to, now look, always look at the divisor. The divisor, see, this is the divisor and this is the dividend. The divisor has only one zero. So that means you can only cancel one zero here. So what are the remaining numbers? 2,525. Now, I can cancel this. I can divide this. 25 and 25. So 25 divided by 25 is 1. But you still have remaining two zeros here. So that means this is what? 100. 100 divided by 1 is equal to 100. I hope it is clear. Now, I will give you more exercises. Take out your Maths 5A workbook. Then, turn it on page 7. Now, we are in activity 3, multiplying by tens, hundreds, and thousands. Please write the date. The date today is 12 May 2020. We will proceed to exercises. Exercise 1. Complete the table. 28 times 10 is equal to 280. What did you notice? You just added 0 from 28. That's why it becomes 280. 28 times 100 is, you just write 28 and then you tag two zeros here. So the answer will be 2,800. 28 times 1,000. Okay, write 28, then tag 3 zeros. So the answer will be 28,000. Next, 560 times 1,000. You write 560. and then again tag 3 zeros. So the answer will be 560,000. Next, 7,180 times 10. I'll write 7,180 here and then I'll tag 1 0. So the answer will be 71,800. Look at the number. Please arrange the whole number by writing the comma here or separate the 1 and 8 here. The rest, please do by yourself. We will go to exercise 2, multiply. A, 60 times 40. First, you multiply 6 and 4. 6 times 4 is 24. And then you tag how many zeros? 1, 2. You write 2 zeros here. So the answer will be 2,400. Again, separate the number of digits by writing comma or leave one space here. Then draw a straight line. Draw the line. Write in blue. Then exercise B, 30 times 300. 3 times 3 is 9. Then count how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. So tag 3 zeros here. So what is the answer? The answer will be 9,000. Then underline in blue. Next, 200 times 4,000. So multiply 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Then count how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So tag 5 zeros here. Then after tagging, please arrange the number of digits. So the answer will be 800,000. Then underline in blue color. Next, D, 7,000 times 30. Multiply 7 and 3 first. So 7 times 3 is 21. Count how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then tag 4 zeros here. Then I arrange the whole numbers. The whole number. Then underline in blue. Next, 5,000 times 4,400. 5 times 4 is 20. Then count how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what is your answer? It is 2 million. Then underline in blue. Next, 2,000 times 3,000. That means you multiply this. 2 times 3 is 6. Then count how many zeros? 6 zeros. So you just tag 6 zeros here. So the answer will be 6 million. Then underline the answer. Now go to page 4. On page 4, I want everyone to draw a vertical line on the right side, like this. You draw a straight line. Why? I want you to write your calculations here on the right side. Do not write everywhere here. I want your work to be neat. Okay, exercise 3, multiply. A, 52 times 30. Do your calculation here. First, 52 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 5 is 15. So, 156. Then, tag 10. So, the answer will be 1,560. Then, underline in blue. Next, 75 times 400. Again, I want you to do your calculation on the right side. 75 times 4. 5 times 4, 20, carry 2. 7 times 4, 28 plus 2 is 30. So the answer for 75 times 4 is 300. but you are multiplying by 400 here. So all you need to do is to tag 2 more zeros. So it becomes 30,000. The rest, please do by yourself.